Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can listen to your girlfriend or your boyfriend calls without installing any app or touching his or her phone. If in case you were doubting whether your boyfriend or your girlfriend have a secret affair, instead of you to accuse him or her wrongly, you can use this method to prove yourself right or wrong. Before we continue, if today is your first time here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Like and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Or if this is not your first time but you are yet to subscribe, please consider doing it now. Also like and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. For any comment or complaint, go to the comment box below and drop it. Don't also forget to hit that bell icon for you to be the first to know when I drop a new video. With that said, let's move on. So from here, what you can do is that there are some codes you can dial in your phone, which will enable you to listen to all his or her call. Now pick up your phone, open the dial pad, and then dial **62**, then the number of the person, your boyfriend or your girlfriend you want to listen to his or her call. Just then you put hash, then press send. You will now see this message. Call forwarding registration was successful. Then you press OK. Now all our calls will be coming to our phone. What you do is that when our calls come, you allow her to pick first before you pick. If you want to cancel, open the dial pad again. Now you will dial #004# and set. Call forwarding erasure was successful. Now press OK. From now on, you will not have any access to our calls again. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comment or complaint, kindly drop it in the comment box below. Thank you. Till I come your way next time. Bye for now.